Hi, welcome to the weekly dance tutorial. Today we're going to learn some tuts, but not just any kind of tuts. We're going to learn how to transition from our tutting grid in the front to the side. So if you don't know what that is, real quickly, body grid right here, boom, 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 four corners, your hips, your shoulders, bam, make a rectangle or square, and then draw a line here and draw a line here from your elbows, and you go boop, boop, boop. That's the grid right there, the body grid right here. Okay, so imagine those four squares, right? We're imagining four squares cut by two lines. Okay, there it is. Okay, and from this grid, we want to take our tutting outside of that. So we're gonna go outside of this box right here. If you don't know what the outside grid is, it's very similar to this grid right here, except it's out here. So for example, instead of it being in the middle of my body, I'm gonna have it out here. Okay, there's one little square right there, and look, here's a way to connect it. Okay, so there's a little square here, possibly another square here. Okay, it's not exactly perfect, but you get the picture. Okay, so there's an outside one there, and it continues up here, so it goes boom, boom. Okay, there's also a line right here, right? And this line is the same line as the one that's in the center of your body right here. So let's start by going from here, this grid right here. Okay, we're gonna move our way up just like that. So you're gonna go fold, boom, boom. Okay, and then boom, boom, boom. All right, and then from there we're gonna go boom, like that. So all I did was I kept these in line right here, and I lifted it over, and notice this line right here moves horizontally. So at first it's vertical, and then it goes up to here. Okay, that's all you're doing with this hand. You're going boop, boop, boom, boom. And you could do like hits, or you can just slowly move it and then stop. So like that. Okay, and then here's another one. From here you're gonna go up, boom, line it up right there. Okay, this time this little block is going here, and it's kind of framing your face a little bit. So there's a square right here. Okay, and then you don't really bend your wrist, you just go here, here, and then from here this one just goes up like that. Okay, so from here, boom, you went boom, 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 here, 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 here. I'm gonna slow that down real quick. So here, boom, boom, here, go down, here, here, go here, here. Okay, and then from here you're gonna want to shoot it over, bam, to the other side. Okay, shoot it over to the other side and reverse it, and then go back down to here. All right, so that's one way to go from the middle, do some tuts, push it out to the side, boom, 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 boom. And there's lots of ways you can mess around with the side corners without even having to bend your wrist that much. So one more time, it goes here, 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 here. So this could be exchanged with any moves that have to do with this front grid right here. Like, you don't have to do this exact move that I'm doing. This is just for me to show you how you can go from this sequence to an outside sequence. Okay, so one more time, let's try a different one. I'm gonna go boom, 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 and then I'm gonna go here, 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 and then you can go boom, boom, here, here, bam. Okay, so you see how I was playing around with different patterns using the same outside grid. Instead of connecting it, I went here, 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 and then here, move it over, break it down, boom, flip it around, bring it here. So there's different ways, obviously, but as long as you get these pictures down right here, this is the classic tut angle right here. It has to do with this box in here, this box down here, a box here, and a box here. Okay, so that's pretty much the outer grid. As you can see, there's a line going straight starting from where your shoulders are at, there's always a straight line going this way, okay? And then from there, we break that line in half, boom. And that there's always a line out here, okay? And usually that line is as long as your elbow is. So if I go out here like this, that line is always gonna stop at the elbow, okay? So you use this, your joints, to kind of map out where the halfway point is gonna be, and you kind of focus on those points as you're making transitions over to different grids, okay? So one more time, let's go through that, boom. Go here, 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 boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna go ahead and explore now. And I'm gonna go here, 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 boom, 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 here, 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 and then maybe I can go up all the way, and then down, and then go, psh, go here, close it, here. So yeah, really play around with like your wrists. You can fold your wrists, twist it, however, boom, boom. Like you could do something like boom, boom, go here, bring it back down, here, here. Okay, all I'm doing is I'm just flipping and rotating my hands using the position that I was at. So remember, even if you're here, you can flip and rotate and then go. Okay, and then from there you can also do more flips, rotate, boom, flip, boom, 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 here, 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 boom, boom, break it. You can also break it up and go halfway and then this way. Okay, don't forget there's also a 3D grid, so it's not just up, down, left, right, there's also forward and back. Okay, so let's start from the very beginning and add that forward dimension. Okay, so here, here, boom, boom, here, go back down, boom, boom, here, here, halfway, boom, boom, and then you can go here, here, halfway, boom, boom, do something else, you know, and then down. Okay, so that's how you transition from the middle to the outside. Okay, remember you can always reverse that, go the other side, go this way, and once you kind of get used to where the boxes are, you don't have to really follow this guide. You can just start going like immediately going from the outside, boom, to the inside, boom, boom, to the outside, boom, boom, bring it in, you know. So yeah, this really helps to kind of expand all your movements instead of just staying in this box right here. Okay, remember there's different ways to go outside of the box, but yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll happily explain more transitions of how you go to this grid, to that grid, to this one, and so on. Okay, good luck and have fun. Peace.